Today we're experimenting that what of this candy thing melts the most, I think. Let's try it in oil. And what we have is water, salt water, and vinegar. Which one will it melt the fastest? I can't really see in salt water. I see happening that the water and the vinegar is winning, like is melting most of the candy stuff off a bit. A water and oil. Water's the winner. Now let's see. Salt water and vinegar. Vinegar is the winner out of vinegar and salt water. So I think water and vinegar are the best one. Well, don't forget to. Now let's compare the water and the vinegar to see which one's best. They say water is the best one. Water's sure the best one. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.